Hi, and welcome to this video where I'll show you how to perform a site-specific analysis in Shapemaker. Now, according to the Eurocode, when analyzing your structures, you need to consider site-specific conditions. That means that for every wind direction you're considering, you need to find a terrain category. And if your site is located in a complex terrain, you also need to find the orography effect. If you're not considering site-specific analysis in your analysis today, there's a high chance that you're either overly conservative or that you're underestimating the effect of site-specific conditions in your wind loading. In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to perform a site-specific analysis in Shapemaker by simply inserting the coordinates of your site. Now, let's enter the structure that we've created. We can have a look at it in the model view. We see that we have this three-legged lattice structure right here. We have 7 antennas, some panel antennas, some MV dishes. We have 2 tenants, AT&T and Telia. Now, what I want to do is that I want to put this structure on its location. So let's go to the location tab on the left. Let's press edit and simply insert the location of our structure. I'll copy paste these coordinates right here. You see I have the option of selecting which design standard to use. We have support for a wide range of design standards, but I'll keep it at the Norwegian Annex for now. I'll press save and I'll open the side map view right here so that I can verify that yes, I have indeed put the structure on its right location. Now I'll perform a site-specific analysis by simply pressing automatic wind profile. Shapemaker is now finding the basic wind velocity for this location, and for every wind direction that we'll include in analysis, we're finding the terrain category as well as the orography data, which we'll use to calculate the orography effect. So now we'll just wait a little bit until it's finishing. There, it just finished. Perfect. Let's have a look at the results. Scrolling down to the bottom, as we see this wind profile at 10 meters, where we can see what the mean wind velocity is at for every wind direction at 10 meters. We see that westwards, it's quite a lot bigger than eastwards. Zooming out a bit, we see that westwards, we have a clear path to the open sea, while eastwards is facing inland. Looking a bit closer at our location, we also see that we're located at the hilltop with a quite steep descent westwards, while eastwards it's quite flat and low vegetation. We could also compare the two wind profiles for the two worst conditions, so that would be 300 degrees and 90 degrees. So let's go up here and simply select 390, and we can see how the two wind profiles differs. We see that at 30 meters, we'd have a 62.3 meter per second mean wind velocity, while eastwards we'll have a 35.3 meter per second wind velocity. We can have a closer look at the site-specific analysis results by pressing Edit Wind Data. And we see that westwards we have terrain category C, as we would expect, while eastwards we have low vegetation and very little orography effect. We also see that westwards we have found an escarpment as well as a hill. Perfect. So now we've taken our structure, we set the coordinates, and we have we've got Shapemaker to perform a site-specific analysis of our site. We can also look at the results here, and we verify that they indeed are as we would expect. In the next video, we'll perform an analysis of this site and we'll have a look at the results. Thanks for watching.